friends, in this video, we're going to read the story called Dog and Cat's Rainy Day, written by Carin Bramsen. Split splat. Duck and cat. Rain falls on duck. Yippee! What luck! Rain falls on cat. Oh, drat, not that. Duck says, let's play. Cat says, no way. Drip, drop, when will it stop? Cat wears a frown. Her head hangs down. Duck climbs on cat. Look at that. He will try to keep cat dry. All set, not yet. Cat's back is wet. They both look back. What is that? Quack, quack. Well, it stormed. A puddle formed. They take a look. They see a cat. She wears a hat. A quacky hat. A fluffy hat. A wriggling hat. A giggling cat. Cat does not frown. She wears a crown. A funny crown. A sunny crown. The sky soon clears. The sun appears. These friends have fun in rain or sun. That's the end of the story. Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed reading with me. And with more interesting street stories. Stay tuned for that.